Now let us look at what can be a potential organization chart for a hotel sales and marketing. So on the top, normally apart from general manager, the marketing function of a hotel, typical hotel, is taken care of by director of sales and marketing, who is the in charge of all the operations. He may or may not have a secretary or a personal assistant. Larger hotels usually have a secretary. Smaller hotels may not have a secretary or a personal assistant level. Now the other departments which are the other director level of the under this director of sales and marketing will be dependent on the size of the hotel. For example, usually if the hotel is a small hotel, then there may not be a director of sales or director of national sales manager, but for a bigger hotels where there are multiple departments, usually there is someone of a director level who is in charge of sales operations, director of sales, or called national sales manager. Under them they may have further departments which may be director of business development, whose job might be to just develop the new markets or develop the new business, generate the leads for sales managers to look after. Under these director of national sales manager, you may also have director of apart from business development, you may have corporate sales managers who looking after only the corporate clients, whether individual or whether it's a group sales. Usually the events are considered separately if they're gonna have bigger events, larger meetings, but if a couple of small meetings or a couple of guests are coming in a group, usually they will be handled by the corporate sales manager. So the job of corporate sales managers or agent sales managers or government sales managers would be primarily to maintain the relationship with the person who is responsible for bookings in these segments. Usually if the hotel has a large business volume from agents, they may have dedicated agent sales managers, maybe multiple of them, because if there are a lot of agents, one person may not be sufficient to take care of all the agents. So they may divide agents via like overseas agents, local agents, or agents who are taking care of series, and agents who are selling in a groups, agents who are selling individually. There are sometimes bigger agents whose account is being handled by one person. So director of sales usually is allocating the accounts to individual departments: corporate sales, agent sales, government sales, individual people, so that they don't have a higher burden of maintaining voluminous accounts. They may handle one or two high volume accounts, and the rest of the accounts would be lesser volume, so that they can effectively serve the clients. So the job of the sales manager here is to understand the customer's pain points, as we have understood in the previous lectures, so that they can serve to their fullest capacity. So we're gonna be discussing more on the sales function in this lecture. The other departments under director of sales and marketing may be communication director, they may be media directors. Their job would be usually to release the press, do the press release, do the digital marketing, or do the marketing communications, doing the social media marketing, or just only doing the menus, doing the design process of the menus, brochures, sales kits. So there are a lot of bigger hotels will have a lot of collaterals, websites and other things which needs development, which needs design services. Outsourcing those things may be quite expensive. The hotels would have in-house directors of communications who would be taking care of design services and printing services. Apart from them, there may be a director of event sales. Event sales is a very specialized kind of sales function, which is usually different from FIT sales, where you are selling only 1 or 2 rooms or 10 rooms or 20 rooms. Event sales consist of selling the rooms as well as the events, as well as the meetings, as well as the functions, the weddings, any other high profile functions, associations, conferences. which are more complex because it comprise of rooms, it comprise of banqueting, it comprise of restaurants, and also the other parts of the hotel. So usually you have dedicated event sales manager. If the hotel is a very big, then apart from director of event sales, you may have a team of event sales managers who would be selling the hotel services in a wider variety. If the hotel is a small size, you may have only have an event sales manager who may again be reporting to director of sales. So it depends really on the size of the hotel and how the director of sales and marketing want to organize their team. Then you have a few people who are managing the event. So event sales is a different job, while the event management is a different job. In event management, usually you have to be on the ground, you have to coordinate with the client on their requirements, renters, coordinating with the different departments in the hotel together with the client, and execute the event as it is sold by the sales managers. So if a small hotel, normally you would have one person who is selling and managing the same. If there are multiple banquet functions, multiple meeting rooms, multiple clients who may have more than one functions at one point of time, so you may have multiple event sales managers, associates, or coordinators who would be helping in the event sales. Then you have director of revenue management. Usually the revenue management is a dedicated field which is headed by another person or a director level. They are also the person who is taking care of reservation. Revenue management would also be taking care of reservations, marketing services, and distribution. So there is a more about the revenue management in another course. You can learn that. In this course we're going to be focusing more on the sales functions, which is this team only.